नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का यूपीएससी स्टडी पॉइंट यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। और आज हम देखने वाले जल शक्ति अभियान। ओके, जल शक्ति अभियान। इस जल शक्ति अभियान कब स्टार्ट हुआ, कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ, उसके गोल्स क्या है, उसके अंदर सरकार क्या करना चाहती है, और ये अभी न्यूज़ में क्या था, और ये अभी न्यूज़ में क्यों था, ठीक है, वो किस चीज़ के लिए न्यूज़ में था। सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस जल शक्ति अभियान, संचय जल बेहतर कल। सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। सो दोस्तों, ये न्यूज़ में इसीलिए था कि अंडर द नेशनल जल शक्ति अभियान द सेंटर हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू यूटिलाइज द अपकमिंग मानसून सीजन टू एक्सपैंड इट्स वाटर कंजर्वेशन एफर्ट्स। सी, वाटर कंजर्वेशन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, क्योंकि अब सभी को पता है कि वाटर कंजर्वेशन अभी हमारे देश के लिए वो होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि वाटर का जो अवेलेबिलिटी है इट इज़ गेटिंग डिक्रीज डे बाय डे। सो विल सी द एंटायर न्यूज़ इन डिटेल। सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। दोस्तों, इट इज़ अ बिट अबाउट मी। माय नेम इज़ नवनाथ निर्मले, 4 years एक्सपीरियंस एज अ फैकल्टी ऑफ ज्योग्राफी, एनवायरमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी। ओके, और कहाँ पे मैंने पढ़ा है अब तक? इन दिल्ली, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, इंदौर, MP, मध्य प्रदेश, and also various platforms on the online. If you like, you can follow me on the Facebook. My name is Navnath Nirmale, ID it is there. So friends, move forward. ये जो जल शक्ति अभियान था, its first phase was started when 15 September 2019 in all the states, और सेकंड उसका फेज था ओके टू द अक्टूबर टू द नवंबर 2019 स्टेट्स विद द रिट्रीटिंग मानसून। तो आपको पता होगा कि इंडिया हैज़ 28 स्टेट्स। ओके, एंड इंडिया में मानसून आता है। ओके, बट नॉट द एंटायर इंडिया रिसीव्स द मानसून इन द साउथ वेस्ट मानसून सीजन, बट सम स्टेट्स विद द रिट्रीटिंग मानसून लाइक आपका हो गया आंध्र प्रदेश अ बिट, एंड देन मोस्टली तमिलनाडु। ओके, ये दो स्टेट में मेनली क्या आता है, रिट्रीटिंग मानसून आता है इन द मंथ ऑफ October and November, and also till the mid-December. Okay, so it is inspired by the honorable Prime Minister's impetus to Jal Sanchay or Jal Shakti Abhiyan is a time-bound mission mode water conservation campaign. So please remember these facts, this first phase and also second phase. Okay, so it's important and it is a time-bound. Whatever the targets have been decided by the government, that has to happen in the time-bound. It is also a mission mode for the water conservation project or the campaign. It is very important to remember. See, JSA will run like 2 phases as I have discussed this here. And first phase, it is 1st July to 15th September 2019 from the all states and union territories, and also second phase from 1st October to 30th November for the states receiving the retreating monsoon like Andhra Pradesh, what I said, Tamil Nadu, some part of Karnataka, and also this union territory Puducherry. ठीक है, so these are the states will be having second stage of the retreating monsoon season. This is important. You have to go to 11th class India's physical geography. You read it from the NCERT topic. It's very important. So देखो intervention areas, इसमें क्या करने वाले, what exactly is government is going to do it. So water conservation and rainwater harvesting. So if you want to harvest the rainwater, we have to stop like this. See, these are the step like structures. So water is being stored, water is being percolated inside the earth, or inside the crust of earth. So this will increase the water level. Okay, this will increase the groundwater level. So after that, when rainfall is not there, at that time water availability will be maximum. So renovation of the traditional and other water bodies or the tanks. We have the so many traditional water conservation methods. ओके, एक बार आई थिंक जो कुरुक्षेत्र आया था उसमें इन डिटेल दिया था. सो यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम देयर. सो इट इज़ वी हैव टू रिनोवेट द ट्रेडिशनल वाटर बॉडीज और द कंजर्वेशन मेथड्स, बिकॉज सी ट्रेडिशन जो हमारी बनी थी अब तक, तो इट वॉज विद द वेरी ग्रेट थाट. ऐसा नहीं कि 1-2 दिन में बन गई और चली गई. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. सो ट्रेडिशंस आर लाइक ऑफ द वेल थॉट, ओके, ऑफ द वाटर कंजर्वेशन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. So again, third point, it was reuse and recharge the structures. See, it is a hand pump. So here we have to recharge the groundwater, like making some structures. Watershed development. Okay, watershed development. I think I have told you so many times. I taught actually in classes. So what do you mean by watershed? So watershed, it is an area which divides two different river basins. So that is called as a watershed development. So we have to do that as well, and also intensive afforestation, not deforestation. Intensive afforestation, it means that we have to plant the trees. We have to plant so many trees. So these are the like components of this scheme. And during the campaign, officers, groundwater experts, scientists of the government of India will work together with the state district officials in India's most water stressed districts for the water conservation and water resource management by focusing on the accelerated implement of the 5 target intervention. Okay, whatever I say, the 5 targets, so those 5 targets will be done with the help of like campaign officers, government experts and scientists, okay, with the state and the district officials. So if you want to become an IS officer, so this is your role, district officials. It has to be the district collector. So you must know the things about it. So that's why you have to study. So JSA aims at making water conservation on the Jana Andolan through the asset creation and extensive communication. Extensive communication means extensive awareness among the people. Asset creation means what? You have to create the like some what we say, some ponds. Maybe you have to create some water percolation centers, okay, water conservation centers, water refilling centers in the water, like on the surface of the earth. And this work can be done through the Manrega. This is the best way, because right now this is a very good time, and this is what government wants to do the things with the Manrega. So 256 districts are water stressed in India, and we have 733 districts. So out of 256 are water stressed, means whatever water is required, it is not received over here. So stress is there of the water. So district with the critical or over exploited groundwater levels as per the Central Groundwater Board. So you have to go and please see a bit about the Central Groundwater Board. It is important. UPSC may ask a question on this. So for the state without critical and over exploited groundwater levels, districts with the least availability of the groundwater in comparison with the rest of the districts in the state have been selected. So wherever the water critical condition is there, over exploitation of the groundwater it is there, this is also like these are also selected in this program. So friend, let's move forward, and these are the what? These are the districts. See, these are the all districts which are facing the water stress. So this was all about the Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Okay, so you can read it everything from here. So intervention areas, what we have seen, every 5 points we have seen over there, started in the 1st July, and second phase was from the October to November. Okay, so districts with the water stress blocks with the non-aspirational districts, and districts with water stress with the aspirational districts. So you can read about this also, what are the aspirational districts. It is also important, but from this news you have to remember these 5 points and also some of this area. Okay, now why I brought this map for you? You know Indian map, okay, you know all the districts and also states. What exactly happens over here? If your posting is happened somewhere in Rajasthan, so you must be having in mind that in this area water is stressed, or water districts are stressed, and you have to be very careful and sensitive about the water availability. You have to take so many steps for this. So this is important. That's why we have to see these maps. Okay, and also I would like to tell you one thing, that dryland areas of India. Okay, so I brought these things like what we say, that rainfall of the areas of India. So arid zone, these are the arid zones of India. So where water is less than what, 50 centimeters or the 500 millimeters. So humid areas, these are the maximum rainfall areas of the India. वहाँ पे 150 सेंटीमीटर से भी ज़्यादा रेनफॉल होता है. और सेमी एरिड 50 से, जहाँ पे 50 से ज़्यादा. एंड मैक्सिमम दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द वॉट, दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ वाटर स्ट्रेस्ड लाइक डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. तो जहाँ पे पानी कम होगा और जहाँ पे ग्राउंड वाटर एक्सप्लॉटेशन ज़्यादा होगा, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, योर water stress, it is there. So this was all about this news. So friends, thank you very much and all the best. Please, it is my request, if you like this video, okay, so you have to share with your friends, and you have to like it, or you have to comment on it, and please share it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.